Alright, here comes I-138. They got a green. Something below that train is a CSX I-138 Intermodal train. Pretty good size. That train starts off in Jacksonville, Florida. Heads north. Oh, come on. Heads north to Charlotte, North Carolina, where it terminates. My voice is just, it's a lot going on, guys. Hoarse voice, overworking it, everything.
705, over. CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 295.8, track 1, no defects, total axle 248, end of transmission.